Hi guys, it's Long Explorer Gaming and Fun, and we're back for another episode. Let's go to Game on 0, and I'm pretty hungry, but I was just out to walk. So let's go inside and see something. I'm really hungry. What's that? Mr. Fruit, it's time to eat. Mr. Fruit? Mr. Fruit? Oh, I got a golden apple. Got a golden apple. Let's see what else I have. Absorption, regeneration, resistant, fire resistance. Oh, that's nice. And I got a cooked fish. That's nice. Let's just eat this. And that's weird. Let me go check that chest. Wait. Did it just drop into my inventory? Oh yes, it did. But anyways, let's check this out. I'm the Wither King, and the only thing in my path to my reign over the whole universe is you. I took you from Mr. Frew, and you shall... Oh, Grandma mistake, Wither King, and you shall never see him again. Happy Christmas, warm regards, the Wither King. Okay, that's weird. So, I'm pretty sure I have a friend that knows. Can that mean? But first we have to stock up provisions. So I'm gonna get a lot of that, and to go to game 1, you'll need water bottles. Water bottles. So it's how water bottles. Water bottles. Yeah, water bottles. So let's just yeah, okay. Oh yeah. Back to inventory. Water bottles. Let's have a lot of these. Yeah, I'm just stacking them up. Okay, now let's grab them and let's go. Game on 0. So let's go find this friend of mine. Oh, by the way, where did it go? Do I have it? Dragon egg. Ta ta ta. Okay, so I'm just gonna place the dragon egg back there. The beautiful dragon egg of truth. Of truth. 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 So let's go visit this friend of mine. And I hope he knows what to do. Where is Mr. Fu? And who's the Wither King? So let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. And what weird, I think it's that direction. Oh yeah, I see it in the distance. We have to run. You don't see it, guys? I guess I have sharper eyes than you. Huh? Well, actually, I don't see it. So I'm kind of lying. We have to go up this way. Hey, sheep. There we go. There's my friend's house. So let's just get in here. And I think his entrance is at the porch back here. So let's just go here and let's see. Oh, he has some good crops here. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Knock knock. Oh, there you are. Hey. So do you know about this, bud? Do you know? Oh, in the chest, yeah, okay. Okay, it gives me another booking form, so let's read this. I heard about some legends talking about the Wither King. He wanted the whole universe, and 4 of the great beasts fought him with human partners. Each of these partners had a sword and a piece of armor. After the war, the armor of the great beasts and the 4 swords were hidden by each human. I suspect that the Wither King has returned and seeks the armor and the swords, and you're the only one who can stop him, since you're the only one that can gather the... Oh, spelling mistake. The armor and the swords together. If you get killed by the Wither King, that power goes to him. He's probably keeping Mr. Fu hostage because he wants to strike fear in your heart. I suggest you find all of the armor and swords and beat the Wither King and get your friend. That's a pretty sensational speech. So, I'll just keep this, okay? And, thank you for that. And, by the way, let me check if it's night time. Is it fine if I stay with you for the night? Yeah. Wait. You don't have food? I'll give you some. Let's have, so let's just give you some. Hopefully you'll be kind enough to... Come on. Let's put 4 at least. Okay, he has 4 there, and now he has... Yeah, there we go. Now, I'm actually pretty thirsty. Hungry, actually. Let's just eat a bit. Let's see. Got some nice stuff there, huh? Sorry if I take this pumpkin. Oh, it's a watermelon. That's nice, yeah. Okay, so you got a lot of crops, bud. So, where did you go? Are you outside? Oh, man. Oh, you like the view, huh? Pretty nice, huh? But make sure that you don't stay outside for the night. Some zombies can come and hit you, my friend. Just go this way. And in. So, hopefully you go in. So I'll just sleep right now. And, that's good. Why did you leave the door open? Okay, that's right. But, thank you a lot, Mr. Willows, and, I hope to see you someday, right? Yeah? Okay. So, wait, do you have anything I could use, like, iron, maybe? I'm really sorry, sir. See if I can... Okay, yeah, there. So, I'm really sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. Okay. Yeah, we're friends, right? Yeah, we're really good friends, yeah? Okay. But I guess thank you, Mr. Willows, and I hope to see you soon again. So, I wonder where I could go. I always love the mountains. Maybe I'll get a better view from the top of that mountain. Let's keep on going. So, I wonder where it might be. Like, some kind of stairs to go up. Let's go to that one. It's a nice shade. It's a nice shade. And let's see if I can get up there. Ah! Give me that dirt. Give me that dirt. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Let's see how we can get up there. Yes. So that is just my grandmother there. Pretty fun. So let's try to get up there. I guess I can't go that way. Let's go this way. So I have to keep on going, or else I'll die. get to the shade there. Maybe some good option. So we have 8 sand blocks left. Ah, that just happened. There we go. That's better. So, I'm not gonna risk it. That's nice. Why is there a torch up there? Wait. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Casualty mode 1. Oh, phew. I'm gonna go up there, kill that guy. Yeah. I'm really scared of monsters, so I'm sorry for turning into game mode 1. So, and see, no more like that. And let's go back to the session. Let's just take some game mode 1 for a second. And what the? Okay, that was weird. Oh my god, I'm peeing my pants, peeing my pants. Let's pee my pants. Oh, this is freaky. Oh. Sorry guys about that, I just had to help my grandmother for something. Oh, I meant to go to flash game mode 0. So we can go very slowly. How about we use the hoe? No, that doesn't work either. Shovel? Nope. Gonna take some time. Oh, what's that? That's a nice castle, I guess. I think I can jump from here. But I don't want to risk it. So, let's just keep on shoveling. We can shovel. We can shovel. Forever. So, a happy Christmas to you all, guys, and a pretty fun Christmas since I'm still too high. Oh man, this is slow. Get the... Okay, there it is. Hopefully I can do some jumping there. And I have... There we go. So we can... Well, I'm here and we're here. So let's just regenerate a bit our health. So, I'm not hungry. Man. But, this is where I'll end the video, guys. And I wonder what's down there, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Because I'm freaked out and I'm peeing my pants. I need to get to the bathroom there. Anyways, this was an awesome episode. And next episode, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go in there and beat whatever is in there. I don't know if there's something in there I have to beat. But anyways, bye guys. Bye.